Welcome. Today we will introduce to you the module Creative Storytelling. This module aims to develop creativity by exploring new ways of generating and telling stories, to improve collaboration and communication skills by working in a group, to enhance imagination and creativity by creating unique and unexpected stories. The duration of this module is 60 to 90 minutes. You will need blank paper or whiteboard, markers or pens, a set of random objects or images to use as inspiration. Before the activity, introduce the concept of collaborative storytelling and its benefits for developing creativity and communication skills. First, divide the group into small teams of 4 to 5 people. Then, give each team random objects or images to use as inspiration, or have them come up with their own starting point for the story. Encourage participants to think outside the box and to not be afraid to add unexpected elements to the story. Then it is time to listen the stories. Here are some tips for the trainer. Encourage participation from all members of the group and actively listen to their ideas. Provide guidance on the concept of storytelling but allow participants to explore and experiment with different techniques and styles. Encourage participants to not be afraid to explore different perspectives and to not dismiss any idea, as these may lead to new breakthroughs. Before ending the activity, do not forget to learn check. Discuss with the participants. Reflect on your experience and the ways in which collaborative storytelling helped you generate new ideas and communicate effectively with your team members. Share your thoughts on how you will use this activity in their future teamwork and idea generation. Thank you for joining us on this module.